name is Miss Angela. If it's your first time joining us, I would like to say a warm welcome to you all. Today, I'm going to be doing some science experiment with you. I'm going to be showing you how to make lava lamps. Lava lamps are really beautiful and they're fun to watch. Here, I have a picture. I want to show you what they look like. Ta-da! See? They're beautiful, aren't they? Now, let's take a look at the ingredients that Miss Angela is going to be using today to make the lava lamps. Here I've got some vinegar. Here I've got some cooking oil. And here I've got some baking soda. And here I've got some glasses, 3 glasses. And here I've got 3 measuring cups. And here I've got 3 different food coloring. There you go. Hope you can see them. All right. Now, let's put some baking soda in each of the glasses. I'm going to put maybe 2 teaspoons of baking soda in the glasses. All right. Let's count together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. And now I'm going to be pouring some vinegar in each of these measuring cups. All right, let's pour some vinegar. There, I put some vinegar. It looks like water, right? Let's pour some in this cup. And then let's pour some in this cup. And let's add a little more here. And now I am going to put a few drops of food coloring in this cup. I'm going to put the blue one here. Let's put the blue one here. 1, whoop, that's a lot. And then I'm going to put the red one in this cup. Let's put a few drops. And then I'm going to be adding the green food coloring in this cup. All right. And now I am going to be stirring. Let's stir. Let's mix the color together. Let's mix the vinegar and the food coloring. Let's mix the red one. Let's stir it up. Stir. And let's do the same for the green. And let's see. Now I'm going to be adding some cooking oil in the glass. All 3 glasses, all right? We're going to try to put 3/4 glass. Okay, 3/4, not all the way to the top. Maybe like that amount, okay? Maybe just a little more. Right. And same for this one. Oop. And same for this one. Oop. Now, are you ready to see the magic? Are you ready? I'm excited. Let's try the blue one first. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3. 4. Whoops. Can you see? Let's put it closer. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? That's awesome, right? Yay. Can you see the chemical reaction? That's so cute. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, let's pour the red one. Oops. Let's put it closer so that you can see. Ooh, isn't that awesome? That's beautiful, isn't it? And let's do the green one. I'm excited. Ooh. Let's see. Oopsie daisy. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful, boys and girls? I love it. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Awesome, right? I really hope you will try these at home. They're so easy to make and they're so beautiful to watch. Let's take a look at the blue. Alright, I'm gonna put some more vinegar. Let's pour some more vinegar in this glass. And let's pour some more red. And let's pour some more green. And let's see. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful, aren't they? I hope you can see. Cheers. Okay. Cheers. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, boys and girls, I hope you will try these at home and have fun watching them. Alright? It's time for Miss Angela to go. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.